Obviously, a lot of people have difficulties connecting the Bluetooth to the seats in the airplane. The easiest solution to do that is through this kind of cable, which only fits for few earphones. This one has an aux and then a USB-C on the other side. Once you put that, so easy to connect. You put it here. I'm gonna show you. And then you switch on here, and that's it. You're ready to use your earphones with Bluetooth instead of using these clumsy ones, the really big ones. They're pretty annoying. So this is the best way to do it. The only brand, to my knowledge, that sells it is LG Meridian, and they even have an auto cleaning for bacteria. So this is the best way to use Bluetooth when it's not available at all. Now these screens probably have it, but a lot of them usually don't have it. So you have an aux. Even if you have two inputs, you can use it.